Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick video on retargeting ads, the purpose of them and how to set them up. Now the reason I'm actually introducing retargeting ads now is because it's actually very important to launch retargeting ads at the same time as you launch your very first ads. Because what's going to happen is there's going to be a lot of people who see your ad, they click to your website, and then they don't complete a purchase or they leave right away. So what that means is we can run these retargeting ads so all those people that come to your website can then see that ad again almost right away. I'm talking within the same day or at least a couple of days, and then they're reminded or they've changed their mind and they decide they want to purchase. So not only that, we can do a lot of cool customizable features with retargeting and who we want to see our ad. So as I said before, sometimes customers need to see your offer at least 2 to 5 times before they make the decision. You could also retarget previous customers with new offers, and what you need to do is, I'm just going to jump in, I'm going to show you what we do. So here we are in the ad manager. We're going to jump over to audiences. Okay, and we're going to create an audience first. Alright, now we're going to go to create audience just here. I've actually already created one previously, so ignore that. And then we're going to go to custom audience. Alright, and you're going to go website traffic. Create a list of people who visited your website or took specific actions. Alright, now the very first custom audience you're going to want to create is all website visitors. And then you can do it in the past 30 days. I'd keep it at 30 days as a brand new store. And then just name that website visitors 30 days, just like that. Okay, create that one. As it says here, it can take up to 30 minutes for your audience to be ready. Then they send you a notification. Now you have the option to create an ad using the audience, or you can expand your audience. So I'm going to show you how to create an ad using that audience, but for now we're just going to set up another one. So this is our website visitors, everyone who's visited our website in the last 30 days. And it uses our pixel data. It uses the pixel data from our website to be able to track everyone who's gone to our dropshipping store and has viewed the product. You can get a bit more specific now, because obviously this is going to target everyone whether or not they purchase. So there'll be a mix of people who did buy and a mix of people who didn't. So if you just want to target those who didn't buy, then what you would do is you'd go to website traffic. Okay, now custom audience. Okay, and then follow through a website traffic. Now this time, if we want to target people on our website who viewed our content and didn't make a purchase, and this is what you do. You go to people who visited a specific web page. Now you get the URL of your website, so we'll just use the home page in this case. Copy that. URL contains, paste that. Okay, and then click this and also. And then we want to go URL doesn't contain, and then we're just going to put this in. So the URL doesn't contain this section here. And you're only going to find this in the URL for the thank you page after a customer has completed an order. So essentially what this means is we're going to target everyone who visited this site but didn't visit this site, which means they didn't make a purchase. And then we can set it for the number of days. So again, if you're a new store, keep it at 30 days. If you've been running ads for a while, you can go up to 180 days. Your preference, then you give it a name. So visit did not purchase, and then you can go 30 days. It is important that you actually do include as much detail in the audience name as possible, so you know what custom audience it is, and it's quick for you to go through, find it, and then set up an ad for it. Cool, and then you can create that audience. Audience size may be too small. Your audience contains the and rules. Alright, so because I haven't had much traffic to this site, it's going to give me this message. Let's see what it's saying. This may result in a small size. You can actually go create the audience. It doesn't matter, because you'll be setting this up at the very start, and you will start to get data to your site. And as time goes by, these audiences will get bigger. Alright, now you can actually, so there's a lot you can do in terms of the custom audience. Get into website traffic. So you can do the specific pages, visitors by time. So if you want the top 25%, so that's basically in the last 30 days, you're getting the top 25% of traffic. So that is those are the ones that have spent like a lot of time on your site. Again, you can put in the URLs, but for simplicity starting off, I would set up with those two there, the ones we just created. You can also do view content. You can do those that added to cart in the last 30 days, those that initiated checkout. So all the customers that might have initiated the checkout but didn't complete their order, you can retarget them. So you could go initiate, let's spell that right, initiate check out, did not buy 30 days. Alright, so the difference between this audience, the initiate checkout one, and the audience we created before with the visitors is that this audience here has actually added the product to cart, and has actually gone to the checkout page but didn't complete the order. So they are actually, in marketing terms, they are actually more down the funnel than the visitors that just looked at the product and didn't actually add it to cart or anything. So it is ideal to set up these custom audiences from the very start, and then you can start playing around with them, and you can start launching ads for them at the same time that you actually run your very first ads. Alright, so that is our retargeting. That's our retargeting ad set up essentially. We've got our retargeted audiences, and then you can go through and you can set up a retargeting ad the same way you would set up a normal ad. So I will show you that when we go through the ad setup in the next video.